Struggling with poor braking performance? It could be your vehicle tires. Welcome to Factful Fridays. In today's episode, we'll show you exactly when it's time to replace your tires for a smoother, safer drive. Key here is to check for abnormal wear, cracks, damage and depth of the tread groove. Tread depth groove is the distance from the highest part of the tread to the lowest part of the groove, which is crucial for grip, braking and safety. Check that the depth of the tread groove is more than 1.6 mm. To help you check this, the tires have molded in tread wear indicators in the grooves. When the indicators appear on the tread surface, the remaining depth of the tread is 1.6 mm or less, and the tire should be replaced. If any tire shows abnormal wear, cracks, damage or less tread depth than 1.6 mm, get them replaced immediately. And when in doubt, visit your nearest Maruti Suzuki authorized workshop for a tire health checkup today. Want us to cover a specific topic? Drop your suggestions in the comments and you might see it in the next episode of Factful Fridays. Stay tuned, stay informed. See you next Friday.